Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Ether. Commonly known as ETH, Ether is the native cryptocurrency that powers the entire Ethereum blockchain ecosystem. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore what Ether is, how it works, and why it plays such a crucial role in the world of decentralized technology. Ether, abbreviated as ETH, is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain. Think of it as the fuel that powers the Ethereum network. It's used to pay for transactions, execute smart contracts, and provide incentives to validators who maintain the security and operation of the network. Unlike traditional currencies, Ether exists entirely on the blockchain and enables the entire Ethereum ecosystem to function smoothly. Ether serves four primary roles in the Ethereum ecosystem. First, it's used to pay gas fees, which power all network transactions and operations. Second, it enables staking, where users lock up their ETH to secure the network through validator deposits. Third, it functions as a medium of exchange for payments and value transfers across the network. And finally, it serves as a store of value, acting as a digital asset with investment potential. Each of these roles is essential to Ethereum's functionality. Gas fees are one of the most important concepts in Ethereum. These are transaction costs paid in ETH to compensate validators for processing and validating operations on the network. Every action on Ethereum, whether it's sending ETH or executing a smart contract, requires computational work. The gas fee calculation is straightforward. You multiply the gas used by the gas price to get the total fee in ETH. When network demand is high, gas fees increase, and when demand is low, they decrease. Staking is how Ethereum secures its network using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. To run a validator node and participate in network validation, you need a minimum of 32 ETH validators play a critical role in securing the blockchain by verifying transactions and creating new blocks. In return for their service and for locking up their ETH, validators earn rewards. This creates a powerful incentive system that keeps the network secure and decentralized while allowing ETH holders to earn passive income. While both Bitcoin and Ether are cryptocurrencies, they serve different purposes. Bitcoin was designed primarily as a digital currency and store of value, with limited programmability. Ether, on the other hand, acts as fuel for decentralized applications. It powers smart contracts and enables the entire decentralized finance ecosystem, commonly known as DeFi. This fundamental difference makes Ether not just a currency, but the energy source for an entire programmable blockchain platform. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million coins, Ether has no maximum supply cap. However, Ethereum has implemented a unique deflationary mechanism. With each transaction, a portion of the gas fees is permanently burned, meaning it's removed from circulation forever. This burn mechanism, introduced in an upgrade called EIP 1559, helps reduce the total supply of ETH over time, potentially making it more scarce despite having no fixed cap. To truly understand Ether's importance, think of it as the lifeblood of the entire Ethereum ecosystem. It enables everything from decentralized finance protocols and NFT marketplaces to decentralized applications and smart contract execution. Without ETH, none of these innovations would be possible. It's the fundamental resource that makes Ethereum the world's leading platform for decentralized applications and programmable blockchain technology. As the ecosystem continues to grow, Ether remains at the heart of it all.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.